Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Yamaha 500 Li DPV. So this is the flagship model of their diver propulsion vehicle range. It's got a very powerful battery. You've got 3 gears inside of this, so you can sort of step it up. You can cruise around, then you can really set it to high gear. This will cruise around for about 90 minutes at up to about 4.35 miles an hour. Doesn't sound a lot, but when you're in the water, 4.3 miles an hour is a surprising amount. You do sort of buzz through the water. You can take this down to 40 meters as well, so this is well in recreational diving sort of range, and you can take it wherever you want. So nice and hydrodynamic. You can remove this nose cone, and that's how you get to the battery and recharge that. You've got a double trigger mechanism, and they're both spring loaded. You both have to sort of hold them both down at the same time for it to activate. You've got an on-off switch on this handle here, and just above that is the sort of battery level indicator. So you will see some lights on that little panel, and that tells you how much battery life you have left. You can mount the GoPro mount onto that. That comes with it in the box, and you just clip it onto the top, and that gives you a nice sort of POV shot, either facing forwards or facing back, so you can record yourself. Activating it, really simple. Hold them both in, and then stepping it up a gear, all you have to do is let go of one trigger and then put pressure back on, and that will, every time you do that, it will cycle through the gears. So activating it. And you can step your way all the way up through the 3 different gears. If I turn it around, you can see it has an adjustable ballast system. So these little metal weights come with it, and you can take those out, you can add them. They just add a little bit of trim, so you can adjust the buoyancy of the units sort of in the water. Down to the propeller, this has a protective cage over the front and the back to sort of prevent gunk and stuff from getting in towards those blades. Even if a bit of line or something does make its way in and it gets tangled up, you can remove it. Just disconnect the battery, switch it off obviously, and then you can get to it by taking off this cage. You've got a couple sort of glides sort of sections here. You can remove those and fit them yourself. They just help with the sort of hydrodynamic and help it sort of glide through the water. So a fantastic piece of kit, especially if you're diving in a large dive site, which can take a long time to swim around. You're going to use up a lot of energy. Or if you're swimming in sort of against some current, this will really make a difference. So you can cruise around, save some energy, and also save some air so you can stay in the water for longer. This is the Yamaha 500 Li DPV. Thanks for watching, and safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.